What's up, guys? Today, me and my friend on the CR250 and my other friend on his Can-Am 4-wheeler, we're going to go to the track and show you guys something that we found, or me and one of my other friends found. Neither of them have been here yet, or they've been to the track, but not to what we found. But it's really weird because I've been coming here. I've been coming to the track and riding like for the past 13 years of my life or more, and I've never seen this thing. And it's, now that I know it's there, it's so visible. But you guys already know what it is because the title. But apparently it's a old abandoned slave shack, from what I've been told. But I've never seen where it was at or found it. But I didn't think that it was even over this way at all. But we're gonna go show it to you guys. And the first time that I came here, I was with one of my friends because he was hunting and he found it and he thought that he saw someone, but we came back here to see if there was anyone here or anything, because I didn't know what he was talking about and I wanted to see it. And there was no one inside, but there were a few things that were pretty weird. But wow, coming through here, it looks so nice because of fall. Like, all the leaves are changed. It looks really cool. But there were a few little odd things, and I know a lot of people hunt this land. Oh, they're not behind me. Hold on. So I come back here to find them, and I'm coming through the trail, and right around this corner, my friend on the CR250 flew around it, and I had to go on the edge, and I went off, and the front end slid out, but I was fine. But unfortunately, I didn't get it on video. But, so, I've been coming through this trail, like I said, for at least 13 years, and I've never seen this. Let's see. Oh, there's back behind again. Alright, so there's a tree down that we're gonna have to go over, but it's actually right through there, through those trees right there. You can see it, and I've never seen that ever, and I've come back here for the past 13 years of my life. So let's cut the bikes off and go check it out. But what's weird is there's just random kid's shoe and a toy, and the can Vienna sausages right there. Alright, come on. Pretty weird.
This is like the one movie where the house comes to life.
Alright, y'all want to go in?
Yeah.
Alright, let me turn on my flashlight. And this is the trail that we take to get out. And it's like an open area right there, and you can see it so easy. I don't know how we never saw it. It's actually right there. Yeah, you can definitely see that. And we take this trail right out of here. We've never ever seen that. And we went in the one right beside it. It's pretty crazy. Like, it's literally just to the right there. And the track is just right here. We have to go left because there's a tree down right there. But like I said, hopefully we're gonna clear this up this winter. that we found quite weird is that the trail that we take from here to, it's actually out connected to a road, but the trail that we take from this spot right here to the road is roughly a mile or so. So it's kind of weird that it's back in the woods back here. And like I said, I've never seen it, but I've heard people talk about a slave shack around here before. What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Either coyote or like a mountain lion type thing.
Some pretty big track right there. So all that stuff was there blocking it, and it was clearly cut. It didn't fall there, which we had thought, so we moved it to right there. So let's go out here. He wants me to see him hit the tabletop on his four-wheeler. Although it's not really that big anymore. It used to be pretty big. Damn, I didn't know that water was there. Wow. Alright. Let's see if that's, I wonder if that's, I don't think that's mud. That's good. Oh, almost slipped down in it. But this place, a lot of people know about it and they come back here. People come back here in trucks and actually party a lot. Damn. Okay, see if you guys can spot the cabin right there. It's kind of noticeable when you know it's there though. Like, I can't ride through here now without noticing it. That's probably because I already know it's there. So tell me guys what you think. Tell me what you guys, fuck. So tell me what you guys think of that that slave shack, if that's what it is or not. But this is a very populated or very historical area because the Civil War took place in this area. There are a lot of war memorials and stuff around here because a lot of that stuff took place around here, so very well could be a slave shack from a very long time ago, but there's not really any way to find out. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and remember, I'm going to be doing weekly videos from now on, so I will see you guys in the next one.